To turn on hard fall detection on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, first of all, just grab the Galaxy Wearable application on your phone, go to the watch settings and then scroll down for safety and emergency settings. And now all you have to do is just to click over here and then click on the switcher to turn it on. Now we can actually customize it. So you can enable that option, require swipe to perform a call. Or for example, you can get the countdown. So it will show a countdown before starting emergency actions. So we have the time to cancel it. You can set custom time. You can set 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds. Also, it will play the warning sound. You can turn it on and off. The same, it will play sound on the both watch and your phone. And here you can select where, you can select the emergency call number. You can even set a custom number if you want. And over here you can change this option when to detect falls, only during workouts or always, which is actually highly recommended to set this one. And additionally, you can send SOS to the emergency contacts. So that will be your location and a short text message. You can click on it and you can select something from contact, or you can create contact. And I believe that's everything that you need to know about hard fall detection on this device.